Hello, my cute cuties. So now I'm the Lerin Mam physics master teacher, and we are going for the physics exam. I'm so excited, and I wanted to know how you people are feeling. So in the video what I'm going to tell you is usually in the students mistakes repeated, they are doing a lots of mistakes. அதில் மேஜரான few mistakes I'm going to tell you. ஏன்னா இந்த mistakes you are not supposed to, ஏன் students இந்த mistake they are not supposed to do the mistake. அதனால தான் I'm doing this video, and if you are seeing this video, definitely I'm telling you you are going to save some marks. Okay, so இப்போ directly we can go for the video. So இப்போ the major mistakes that usually the students will do with the numericals. ஏன்னா numericals na எப்பவுமே terror feeling da, correct? So numericals, if you, I mean, even if it is giving a terror feeling also, I wanted to tell you one thing, guys. In the numericals 50% of the question paper in the numericals da, which means almost 35 marks in the numericals da varapore. So usually the students in the long question da, I'm not going to study, I'm not going to do the question. Okay va? So in the long question na adula easy irukra edachu, I mean there will be something that is very easy to get the answer. Okay, so don't lose hope in long questions. அது ஈஸியா இருக்கும், calculation கூட ஈஸியாக போறேன். And also இந்த numerical skip பண்றது தான் மேஜரா students they used to do it. ஆனா numericals even if it is 3 mark, even if it is 4 mark, even if you don't know how to do the problem also, you can get some marks. Okay, you can get some marks. ஏன்னா அந்த topic, I mean when you are getting the question, you will get to know இந்த டாபிக்ல இருந்து தான் இந்த question வர. So அதனால அந்த டாபிக்ல இருக்கிற you know some equations and write down the equation, also write down the given datas. இது combined it will give you something. Okay va? If you are not even getting anything even after that also, and the equation definitely you will be get some marks. I'm not telling 3 marks question you will be getting 2.5, ana you will be getting half or 1 mark. Adu important da, yena exam 70 la. So in the 70 la 1 mark kedikiruduna, it is very important, I mean it is important only. Okay va? So ipo in the numericals whenever you are doing the numericals, we know 70 marks question paper we have 3 hours of time. அப்படினா 1 mark 2 minutes தான். So in the numericals usually 2 marks 3 marks இருக்கும். So இப்போ இந்த exam or இந்த question 4 mark weightage தான். So 4 mark weightage na 1 mark 2 marks, sorry 1 mark 2 minutes na, definitely you can give up to 8 minutes. Ana I just wanted to tell you one thing, even if it is 8 minutes as well, okay, you can have the time 8 minutes for that question, even though keep it for 5 to 6 minutes. Yena definitely the confident questions you have is there. Okay, so adukku time, I mean we need some extra mark, I mean extra time. So adukaga we can keep it even at the exam unga exam over arandukku appuram, if you have time, then you can just come back to this. So always keep whatever be the timing you have, just reduce 1 or 2 minutes and keep the timer. Okay va? So adu important ana vishayam da. And second, I mean in the numericals la majority ana students halfway la they will left and they will go. So adu major ana oru mistake da. So eppavume in the numericals la you will be doing some calculation on the rough work side, and you won't be writing this in the final answer. So இப்போ in the examiner they are correcting a lot of papers in a single day. அதனால அவங்க இந்த rough workல எங்க அந்த final answer இருக்கு, they are not going to do it. Okay, இப்போ இந்த final answer fair partல இருந்துருச்சுனா they will check and they will give you the mark, otherwise they are not going to give. And இப்போ another mistake in the unit, of course every quantity we know that majority of quantities units irukku, and the units you have to write there. In the unit illana and the answer, okay, இப்போ 75, இந்த 75 na enna, அது force illa current, you should know it, right? So adukkaga unit, if you are not writing the unit properly, you won't be getting the answer. Correct? So adu you should be always careful. Next in the preparation time onwards, people will use to ignore derivation. In the derivation 10 to 15 marks irukku. Okay, especially in the optics chapter la there are many derivations, and the derivations actually if I'm telling you, there are many, I mean there are a huge importance for it. Okay va? So ipo I'm telling you in the derivations skip pannama you should study. Okay, and next வந்து usually in the derivations whenever you are deriving something you will skip the diagram. அந்த diagram வேணும். Okay, diagram இல்லைனா majority ஆன students won't do the diagram. So இந்த diagraத்துல definitely separate அதுக்கு marks இருக்கு. And sometimes in the examiner வந்து diagram there is no diagram, அதனால in the derivation we cannot tell. Okay, இப்போ வந்து lens makers formula what is u, what is v, you should show, right? So அதுக்காக if there is no diagram sometimes they won't even give a single mark. Diagram வந்து important தான். And அந்த diagram வந்து neat-ஆ இருக்கணும், ப்ராப்பரா இருக்கணும். ஏதாச்சும் direction வேணும்னா you should draw the directions as well. புரிஞ்சுதா? ஸோ இப்போ வந்து அதுதான் வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஆன விஷயம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து you are, I mean, and also in the derivations பார்ட்ல I should tell you, lot of people are thinking like while I'm reading I'm getting the derivation. Examக்கு correct-ஆ whatever I read I can copy, I can write it. அது வந்து முடியாது. Okay, இப்போ வந்து you should understand one thing, whenever you are going for any derivation write. Okay, at least one time you can copy it. அதுக்கப்புறம் whenever you are writing close the book and try it. Somewhere you will get stuck. And the moment you should know, இல்லைனா examக்கு அந்த moment will come. Okay va, you have spent some time for the derivation, right? அதுக்கு வந்து ப்ராப்பரா you should approach, அதுக்கு வந்து ப்ராப்பரா you should study. இல்லைனா எக்ஸாமுக்கு அந்த ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் வந்து ஜீரோ ஆக போற. அந்த ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்குக்கு ரிசல்ட் you won't be getting the result. Next வந்து not reading the questions properly. இப்போ வந்து இந்த questionல you should choose the incorrect statement. ஆனா வந்து what you are going to do, you are going to check the correct answer. Okay, in the statement the correct statement என்ன, first statement itself correct. Okay, you will be very happy, எனக்கு answer கிடைச்சிருக்கு, and why should I go for the rest of the statement? Okay va, so what happened, questionல வந்து incorrect and you have already marked the correct statement and the mark is gone. புரிஞ்சுதா? So இப்போ வந்து சீரியஸா you should approach this. And also read the question twice. ஏன்னா இப்போ I mean I can say that don't be tensed, don't be like that, this that, I can say all those things. ஆனா வந்து important ஆன thing என்னன்னா எக்ஸாமுக்கு definitely you will be having some tension. அது வந்து நேச்சுரலா வரும். Okay, and you will feel like you are in a pressure cooker. Okay, so அப்போ வந்து first thing you should do is you should take a deep breath and just be relaxed. அதுதான் first வந்து you should know. Okay, you should do. And அதுக்கப்புறம் you should read the questions properly. Okay, you have studied, you have worked really hard. ஆனா வந்து when அந்த pressureல whenever you are reading the question இந்த மாதிரி I mean confusions ஆச்சு, அதனால மார்க் போச்சு. You cannot, I mean nobody can do anything. புரிஞ்சுதா? Next வந்து important ஆன thing தான் the poor presentation. In the presentation, if the presentation is very bad, the teachers க்கு அந்த impression கிடைக்காது. Okay, அந்த impression இருந்துருச்சுன்னா extra half 1 mark கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு chance இருக்கு. அதனால தான் சொல்றேன், இப்போ வந்து if you are just doing some calculation னா அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு rough space you should keep. Okay, இங்க வந்து final answer மட்டும் தான் இருக்கணும். Okay, as I mentioned, இந்த examiner வந்து இந்த rough workல எங்க அந்த answer they are not going to check it. Okay, இங்க final answer proper-ஆ you should write. Okay, calculation வந்து அந்த rough side-ல இருக்கணும், and that is not supposed to mess up with our final answer whatever we have written. Okay, and equations இருந்தா proper-ஆ equations write, I mean you should write. இந்த மாதிரி epsilon naught, if you are writing epsilon naught, அது வந்து epsilon naught or something else, I mean nobody can understand. அந்த மாதிரி if you have written na, they won't give the marks. Okay, and இப்போ வந்து descriptive-ஆ you are writing something, அதுல வந்து you wanted to highlight something na, highlight, no worries. Okay, you can go for some underlines. அது வந்து will give a more impression, a good impression for the examiner. Next வந்து as I mentioned, whenever you are going for the derivations or any diagrams are required, and the diagrams வந்து neat ஆ இருக்கணும். You can use the pencil. If any mistake happened, don't overwrite, just erase it and do it. And also section wise you should write. Okay, section A la வந்து questions, if you don't know, just keep some space. Okay, don't mess with the sections. ஏன்னா each sectionக்கு வந்து different marks இருக்கு. Okay வா, so in the section you have written some question from this section C, அதுக்கப்புறம் section E, அதுக்கப்புறம் again section A na, in this examiner வந்து confuse ஆகும். Okay, அதுக்கு வந்து two possibilities இருக்கு. Sometimes maybe you may get extra mark, sometimes and most of the time இதுக்கு வந்து less marks தான் கிடைக்க போறோம். ஏன்னா the examiner the point of view, the examiner will be thinking like okay இதுக்கு வந்து 3 marks or 2 marks, okay let me just give 2 marks. Okay, even you have written for 3 marks, so அந்த chance chances, I mean, we are not supposed to create the chances. Okay va? So இந்த மேஜரான மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் வந்து டோன்ட் ரிப்பீட். ஏன்னா என் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து அவ்வளோ கான்ஷியஸாக ஃபோக்கஸாக எக்ஸாம் எழுதணும். ஏன்னா இந்த ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் வந்து எல்லாமே ஓகே தான். ஓகே, டோன்ட் வரி, ஐ வாண்ட் டு, ஐ டிடன்ட் கம்ப்ளீட், ஐ டிடன்ட் டூ இட். ஜஸ்ட் பிலீவ் இன் யுவர் செல்ஃப். இன்னும் 2 days இருக்கு. அந்த 2 daysல யூ கேன் ஒர்க் ரியலி ஹார்ட் அண்ட் யூ கேன் மேக் இட் ஹேப்பன் அண்ட் பி கான்ஃபிடென்ட். அந்த கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ், ஐ மீன், இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் த கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ்னா definitely the rest of the things will come in your own way. Okay va? So all the very best guys. As I mentioned, romba, I mean, we don't want much tension. Okay, we can after the exam we have a life. Okay, இப்போ வந்து if you are getting tensed, okay, you are getting tensed, அது வந்து it is not going to give you extra marks or easy questions. அது புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. இப்போ வந்து இந்த டென்ஷன்னால what is the result you are going to get? Maybe you will forget completely, you will feel blank. அந்த மாதிரி நெகட்டிவான ரிசல்ட்ஸ் தான் you are going to get. அதனால you are not supposed to make any such kind of mistakes due to this tension and everything. So be calm. All the very best guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.